nature has more than what we think. From those little flowers to those big trees, and from those big trees to those dense forests, and from those dense forests to little flowers, and from those little flowers to grasses, mushrooms. There's a lot to explore, there's a lot to see. Nature is a God's gift. We just need to take care of it. The river is gushing by, the sunshine sparkling on the water of the rivers, and those cute little duckling birds. They just look so amazing. They are just awesome. They have cute faces. They're just too cute. And those sleeping animals with their cute faces, and from those cute faces animals to those butterflies with different colors of wings. They just look so amazing. They are very pretty butterflies. There are many types of butterflies. We need to explore more. And from those butterflies to those cute little animals with the cute face, and from those cute faced animals to those koalas living on the trees, eating the leaves, and sleeping with their cute tiny face on the trunk of a tree. And from those koalas to the cheetahs, leopards, lions, and those birds are like parrots, sparrows. Then going back to the ocean, to the marine life, going deep inside the ocean. We have more than what we think. From sharks to the whales, from those whales to different types of jellyfish, and from those jellyfish to different varieties of fishes, and from those fishes to different colored coral reefs. They are just too amazing. They just look too awesome. And from those little fishes to the jellyfish, coral reefs, and those tortoises. And there are many fishes with different textures. Nature is more than what we think. We need to explore nature. Nature is everything.